Welcome to the Thompson Library's tutorial on using the O'Reilly ebook platform. So let's say I was searching for an ebook called Inclusive Design for a Digital World. I clicked Available Online and chose the first option, O'Reilly, to get to the full text. If you're off campus, you'll have to log in to the library proxy with your unique name and password. You now have to log into O'Reilly. Flint is not listed here, so click Not Listed at the top. This will prompt you to enter your academic email, meaning your umich.edu account. If you've already created an account, click Already a User. At this point, you've been granted temporary access from the device and browser you're using that will expire after 3 days. The very first time you log in, you'll get an email invitation to create a permanent O'Reilly account. Creating a permanent account is not required unless you want to use personalized features or the mobile app version. You can just enter your email for temporary access as many times as you want. You don't ever actually have to create a permanent account. So it took us straight to the first chapter. The full text appears here in the middle. You can scroll to read more. These arrows at the top move you forwards and backwards by chapter. You can get to the table of contents by clicking these 3 lines here on the right. That'll let you jump directly to the chapter you need or to the page with the publication information and a short description. Once you're in the book, these functions on the right allow you to search within the text. You can click the result to go to that point in the book. Click the gear icon to change text size, color contrast, or spacing. You can highlight text to copy and paste it into another document, highlight or remove highlights, or make a note. O'Reilly lets you highlight and take notes without creating an account, but if you want to be able to come back to those notes, I recommend creating an account. You can find a list of everything you've highlighted by going here on the left to Your O'Reilly and clicking on Highlights. Here you can also export your notes into a CSV file or spreadsheet and edit or delete your notes. O'Reilly does not allow you to download or print content. For offline access, you'll have to download the O'Reilly mobile app. You can get to the app by going here on the left to Support. It'll open in a new tab and scrolling all the way down to the bottom. You can download on the App Store or on Google Play. There should be help here too if you run into any download issues. If you have any questions about ebooks on O'Reilly, please ask a librarian. Thanks for watching.